Hi there and welcome back to How Do You Do That on Kinemaster. Today I had a request from a viewer who wanted to learn about animation. So I know a little bit about animation and I can show you a little trick today for doing some very simple animation. I am going to use this as a green screen overlay. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click on my media, go over to photos, and just click on a plain image. Doesn't matter what color it is because I'm going to go ahead and change that to green. So I'm going to highlight that, click on color, come on down here, and I'm just going to add in green. I'm not going to add in any other colors, and that's going to make it bright, bright green. I'm going to go ahead and click the check mark. And then I'm going to go ahead and find where I want my animation to start and end. This is just a very short, like 2-second clip. So halfway in the middle, I think would be where I want it to start and end. If I end it way at the end of the clip, you're not going to see the finished product very long. So I'm going to pick the middle part for my end. So what should we animate? We can animate anything. I like to do text, but I think for today's purposes, we're going to start with a sticker. Let's just use a sticker. The most important thing I want to remember when I am animating this on this green screen is I do not want to have anything green in the picture. So because it would just turn out to be a clear picture. Let's do letter cutouts. Those are a lot of fun. And we can make it say something. So let's make it say hello. So the first sticker we need is an H. And let's just put that in some random place. Okay. The next one we need, let's pick another letter. Letter cutouts. We'll go with H-E. Let's make that one a little smaller. We'll stick it over here. Good. Now we need another letter. Let's go ahead and choose an L. I bet you can figure out what I'm going to spell here. Let's put that one way over there. Kind of want them in a random place because I'm going to move them from random places to spelling out the word. So I need another L. We'll put U over here. Let's move H just to make this a little more random. And we'll move this one all sideways and goofy. We're going to make this really strange. Okay, and now we just need our last letter. Let's choose an O because we're getting very creative here. We're writing the word hello. There, now we've got an O. All right, so now they don't do anything. They just sit there. So what we want to do is we want them to animate. We want them to move into the correct place to spell out the word hello. So what we're going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set a bookmark for where I want them to be in place. And I'm going to choose right there. It's pretty close to the middle. And I'm going to click on that, and that's going to leave me a bookmark so I know where I want to place my keyframes. Whoa, what are keyframes, right? Okay, well, I'm going to show you. The first thing I'm going to do is click on my first sticker here, my first letter, and I'm going to open up my keyframes. And that's this little button over here where it's got a key. Click on that, and where I place this keyframe by pushing this button is where I want my letter to end up. Now we know where it has started. This is where it has started. We want it to end up here, and we want it to end up in the right place so that we can spell out the word hello. So let's move it where we want it to end up. We'll put it right here. Okay, click the check mark and move to the next letter. Okay, here's our E. So we're going to place our key right in the same place. See, we're still on the bookmark. Place our key there. And you can see the little dot pops up when you've got your key in the right place. So let's put our E the way we want it. We want it to be standing upright. and we want it next to the H. Okay, click our check mark. Let's go to the next letter. There's our L. Oops, let's keep that highlighted. Now we can open up our key, place our keyframe there, and you can see the little dot popped up. Now let's arrange it the way we want it to end up. It's a little crooked, so we can just straighten it the way we want it. Or maybe you like it crooked, that's fine too. However you want it to be. Click the check mark, let's go to the next L, open up our key, click the plus button, move that one into place. Remember, it can be however you want it, so if you want it a little crooked, that's fine. And our last one is our O. Open up our key, place our button, and move it to where we want it to be. So now we have all of our letters in place. So if we run this back, we can watch them animate. Pretty cool, right? And because it is on a green screen, if I were to export it now, which is pretty simple, now I've got it right saved to my Kinemaster, and I can go ahead and overlay it onto another video. Let's see if I've got something short and fun that we can use. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. Why not, right? And I'm going to go ahead and just put my overlay on top of there. We're going to click Layer, Media. Here we go. I think we're going to need to make it a little bit smaller so we can fit it on there. And now we just need to do the chroma key. Switch that on. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I like that a lot. Might need a little bit of adjusting. And that chroma key, there we go. And that is all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. And yeah, get out there and animate today. It's a lot of fun. So much you can do with it. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see from this channel, please let me know in the comments below. I love to try to figure stuff out if I don't know how to do it. I'm going to do my best to figure it out for you and show you what I've learned. All right, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.